Another key use case for Censys is being able to identify malicious infrastructure. Source attribution remains a thorny problem, with attackers using proprietary VPNs, Tor, and compromised intermediary servers to hide their tracks and to store the loot. However, we can gain valuable insights into their operations using the Censys dataset. Let's start with the identification of potentially malicious targets in a particular geography. Staying close to home, I'm going to choose the UK. 30 million hosts, lots to comb through there. But why don't we look for the labels C2 and Open Directory? This way we can identify assets that appear to be waiting for callbacks and offering a location to malware so that it can store the loot. Very interesting. This one appears to be hosting Lemon. Obviously this does have legitimate uses, but given our search terms, it's most likely malicious. This is well known for being able to create FUD payloads for Android phones. But let's look at this use case in more detail. Cobalt Strike remains the tool of choice for red teams the world over, but the bad guys use it too. Let's search for devices running Cobalt Strike using the service name qualifier. Very interesting. Circa 800 results. If I add the Open Directory designation, we can narrow it down further. But strafing down this list, I see an additional interesting pattern. The autonomous system name is common for a couple of these. So let's pivot again. We'll remove the Open Directory designation and search for the ASN instead. This will give us hosts potentially originating from the same group. There it is. A group of likely related hosts with similar configurations, all running from the same ASN.